Today, I'm going to show you how to play Rock You Like a Hurricane by the Scorpions. So, note that in the recording, the guitar is tuned half step down, but we're going to play it in standard tuning today. So, power chord on the 7th fret on the 5th string, with the 3rd and 4th fingers on the 2 middle strings on the 9th fret. Alright. Muting the low string, of course. Alright, so you don't hear that. So it's just down, down, down. Alright, then go to the 3rd fret, lowest string. Keep that power chord. Down, 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 down. And you can go 8, 10, 10. Alright, then back to the beginning. Down, down, down. Alternatively, you can go same beginning. From the 5th here, you can go to the 3rd on the 5th string. To the 5th on the 5th string. Again. Alright, every power chord you play on the 5th string with the root note of the 5th string, make sure you're muting that low string. Alright? So that's the intro and the chorus. The verse is starting on the 3rd fret here on the 5th string, the palm mute, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then on 4, switch to the 7th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 3 strums, 5 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to the 3rd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last 3 are on the 5th fret now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first part. The second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just go to the 5th fret there. So I'll do the whole verse here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you just repeat that. Keeping the palm mute. It, blah, 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 and here I am, and then it's back to the chorus. Hold that one, then back into the verse, right? Etc. Alright, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Any requests, leave them in the comments. And if you find these videos helpful and informative and would like to show your appreciation, you can leave a comment or give an upvote. Thank you.